Hello guys! Welcome to my mini vlog. So magluluto ako guys ng tokwa na version ko. So I will show you all. Hey guys! So this is my ingredients. This is the basic one. So nahiwa ako na guys yung tofu. And I'm using onion, garlic, a little bit of soy sauce, green chili, ginger, and of course a little bit of spicy seasoning. So this is of chicken breading, and then I add some black pepper, and then I'm going to add some soy sauce. And then ang gagawin ko dyan guys, imi-mix ko lang yan, tatakpan ko to and then shake it. After that, I'm going to ready the pan, and then I'm going to add a little bit of oil. Once na mainit na yung mantika, and then ilalagay ko na to. Okay? The pan is ready. I'm going to add sunflower oil. You can add different kinds of oil. Depends on you. Just a little bit. And then, antayin ko siyang uminit, and then that's it. Everything is ready, guys. So, ayan na. Ito na yung big mix ko kanina. And the pan also is ready. So, now I'm going to add the ginger. And after that, I'm going to add the garlic. And then, mamaya na yung sibuyas, guys. Pwede mo siyang lagyan, konti lang din. And the rest mamaya. And now, lalagay mo na siya. That's it! Very easy, guys. So, ano lang siya. And pan mo lang siya. Ayan, balikan natin mamaya. Lagyan natin yung onion. Tomato, para siya yung magkukos ng juicy. Lagay na natin yung seasoning and then yung sili. And then, let's mix it all together. So, mag-add ka ulit ng konting soy sauce. Konting vinegar. And maglalagay tayo ng konting asukal. Maglalagay tayo guys ng dalawang kutsara, ng 1.5 ng asukal. And just mix it all together. So, ganun lang. And then, eto na yung itlog guys. Dalawang itlog to. It's up to you. Kung gusto ng 3, 4, 5, it's up to you. So, naglagay lang ako ng konting asin. Pero doon sa niluluto ko, hindi na ako naglagay ng asin. So, ayan na siya guys. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag sa version na to. Pero let's say, tokwa mayra na.
Wow!
So, hindi ko alam kung talagang tawag dito guys. Kasi nga, wala naman ito sa Google. Wala naman itong recipe. So, version ko lang to. At natikman ko to guys sa Malaysia dati. So, ngayon, ginawan ko siya ng twist. Yung sa Malaysia, mas matamis guys. Pero ito hindi. So, ay medyo maasin asin. So, ngayon, ilalagay ko na guys itong itlog. All over here. And then, that's it. So, just mix it all together. And then, ready to eat and ready to serve. You must try this one guys. Kung may dahon ka ng sili, pwede. Dahon ng sibuyas, pwede. Meron kang kenchay, pwede. Meron kang carrots, pwede. So, it depends. Bell pepper, pwede rin. So, bahala ka na mag-invento kung anong gulay ang ilalagay mo. So, para siyang sisig guys. But, yung version ko ng sisig, hindi ganito. May sarili akong version. So, ito lang yung parang twist ko na hindi ko talaga alam kung tawag dito guys. Kaya yun na. Importante, masarap. So, luto na yan guys. Medyo ano siya, saucy. Hindi siya crispy, hindi siya super lambot. Sakto lang. Oh, look at that. Perfect po lang. Pwede mo siyang i-partner sa mga pinarito. Sarap. Sarap. Lambot. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Let's eat.